friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction occurs in the XRP Ripple coin. What's the price changes occurs in the XRP Ripple coin, what's the high price of XRP in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. I am going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, kindly hit the subscribe button if you don't subscribe my channel. So please hit the subscribe button right now and hit my 3k subscriber. If you listen my voice, so please don't ignore my words and kindly help me and subscribe my channel. Now let's see what's the price changes occurs in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. Let's see on screen. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of the last 1 hour in the XRP Ripple coin. First of all, we see the chart analysis of the XRP. As you can see now on the graph of the XRP, so the graph tells us that the XRP Ripple falls down, and after the falls they are jumping upward, as you can see here, but it's not enough for XRP Ripple coin as you compare with the dumping period of this hour. So it's a really exchanges in the XRP Ripple coin. It's a very different changes in the XRP Ripple coin as they start jumping in the last 1 hour. So it's not equal to the high amount of this. As you can see that we cannot set this jumping as jumping. That's not a jumping of XRP Ripple coin, as we said that, because it's also in the fall, the changes is also in negative, so we can't say this jumping as a jumping of XRP Ripple coin, because the changes is negative. As you can see here, the changes is about negative 0.81% chance occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour. So that's a live price changes occurs in the XRP Ripple coin. And as you can see here, the XRP Ripple coin high price is about $0.560495 dollar is the high price of XRP Ripple coin. That is the live price change occur in the last 1 hour in the XRP Ripple coin. Now let's see what's the price change occur in the previous 2 hour in the XRP Ripple coin. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price change occurs in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 2 hour. So if we look the chart analysis of XRP Ripple coin, so it is clear that the XRP Ripple coin falls down, as you can see here, very badly falls down, as you can see here, very enough distance in between the desks. So it's really bad news for all XRP holders, because the XRP falls down in this the average level. As you can see here, the average level is about in this type the average level. Now the current level of the XRP Ripple coin is this. So it's absolutely bad news for all XRP holders, because they falls down in the last 2 hours. Now let's see the high price of XRP Ripple coin is about in the last 2 hours as $0.561822 as the high price of XRP in the previous last 1 hour, and the change in the last 2 hours is about negative 0.93% occurs in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 2 hours. So that's a live price changes occur in the XRP last 1 hour, last 2 hours. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel, so kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.